Hey everyone, welcome back. Is the subscriptions tab in Rocket Money stuck empty or not loading the services it's supposed to be tracking? Here's the fix. First, pull down on the subscription screen to manually trigger a refresh since this alone resolves the most loading hiccups on that specific tab. If it's still empty or stuck, force close the Rocket Money app completely from your recent apps and then reopen it. Then navigate back to the subscriptions on a fresh session. Go to settings and then toggle airplane mode on for about 15 seconds, then turn it back off to reset your connection. Since the subscription list depends on a live data pool that can silently fail on an unstable network, reopen the Rocket Money app afterward and check the tab again. If it's still not loading, go to settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Find Rocket Money to the app list, tap on it and then tap offload app. After offloading it, go to the app store and reinstall it fresh from the app store to clear a corrupted subscription cage. So all you've got to do is pull to refresh first, force and reopen, reset your connection and offload data and reinstall if needed. Your subscription list load properly and that's it. Subscribe.